Now you can also rotate the objects or rotate objects using the rotate command. So on the CAD tab, there's the rotate command. And you can do this by either selecting the rotate command first or select any objects you want to rotate. So when you select the command, the dialog box opens, and I can select maybe this piece of text and this piece of text that I want to rotate. You're going to pick the rotation point or what you want to rotate about. So if I want to, let's say, I want to rotate about this point here, then I could come in and actually rotate the angle. So you can see that I can enable dragging and I can see what that rotation happens to be. Now, if you right click, you're going to get some options where you can do a 3-point snap or a deflection angle snap. So if I do a 3-point snap, what it allows you to do is pick a start point. So if I was to pick there and say this is the pivot point, right? So actually my start point might be here and my pivot point would be here, and I want to rotate it kind of to line up with that stop bar, then I can pick this as my endpoint. And then you can see it sets the angle, and I can apply, and you'll see now it's rotated that object. The other thing you can do is for the angle is right click and use a deflection angle snap, and it's going to ask you for your first bearing and your second bearing. So if my first bearing is in this direction and my bearing 2 is in this direction, you can see that it puts the angle in there, and I can apply that and it'll rotate it as well about that angle.